Good day, Mom and Sir. My name is Annalisa Aldabon Espinosa. I am from Kabatangan, Maulano del Sur. I'm 38 years old, married, and blessed with 2 children. One boy who is 18 years old and one girl who is 14 years old. I finished my elementary education at Kabatangan Elementary School in school year 1999 to 2000. I continued my secondary education at Pagalungan National High School, where completed my high school education in 2003 to 2004. I worked for a family living in a villa in Kuwait. There were 4 members of the family. My employer was 66 years old, my madam who was 52 years old and their 2 children, and 15-year-old son and an 11-year-old daughter. I have 11 years work of experience in Kuwait working for one employer. I worked as a nanny and a housekeeper, and I was mainly responsible for taking care of the children and managing the household. During my employment, my duties included taking care of the children, preparing their meals, helping them with their daily needs, keeping the house clean and organized, doing laundry and ironing, cleaning the 4 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms, washing dishes, and other household responsibility. I also learned how to manage my time, follow instructions, working independently, and most importantly, taking care of the children with patience and responsibility. I also made sure that the children were safe, happy, healthy, active, and comfortable, and proper care for. Working for the same family for more than 11 years taught me to be patient, hardworking, trustworthy, responsible, and flexible. I also follow my employer instructions, and I am willing to learn new things, and I will do my best to perform my duties properly. Thank you for taking the time for watching my introduction video. I hope to have an opportunity to work with you. Have a nice day, Mom and Sir.